Here's the 5 things that they don't want you to know about network marketing to ensure and guarantee you actually succeed in your network marketing business. This is going to be a complete deep dive, walking you through right now live 5 critical aspects and tips regarding network marketing that honestly I was never told and didn't even realize until my 12th year of being in business. Now, a warning, this may trigger some people, but once you hear these tips and strategies for network marketing, please be willing to share them with others, because I don't believe in gatekeeping. I only believe in transparency and honesty and actually helping people. So without further ado, let's get started. And yes, these strategies and tips will help your business grow, and I've proven it through generating millions of dollars in sales in this industry.
These are the gosh darn best marketing tips money can buy.
Number 1 is the one thing they don't want you to know, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and interact with this video and share it just because I'm telling you this. And what it is the fact that it actually does not matter what network marketing company or business you decide to promote, join, you name it. It's not going to change how much you're able to earn, how much you're able to make, you name it. And yes, I mean this, and everyone has lied to you about this, and I want to explain why this is true and why you need to listen right now. It is because of the simple fact that it is not the opportunity that will set you free. It is not the income plan. It is not the compensation plan. It is not the product. It is not the service that is going to set you free when you are promoting or being a part of a network marketing company or business of any kind. It is not the product, not the service, not the customers, none of this. The one thing that is going to ensure the success of your business and how much you are able to earn is how you promote and the process of bringing in new leads and new customers. Because regardless of the company or the product and services you are promoting or selling or offering and taking yourself, it does not matter if you don't know how to bring in leads, if you don't know how to bring in customers to your business, then you are screwed and you are stuck. So I'll make sure, before I go through the other 4 important tips you need to know about network marketing, I will leave a video in the description of this video walking you through how to get leads for your network marketing as a free bonus and gift to you. Now, this brings me directly to number 2, which is in your network marketing business. The number 1 focus you need to have, this is the best tip and strategy you will ever hear, is your number 1 activity must be focused on lead production, lead generation, getting new leads and new customers every single day into your business, into your funnel, into your process, you name it. However, in your company or the company you are a part of, however you recruit, bring in leads, bring in customers, bring in prospects, you name it, that must be your entire focus, because that is the only focus that is going to bring in the most direct money for you and for the company that will allow you to keep building and growing the company for longer. You need to bring in leads because leads bring in money for you. Now we are on to number 3, which is duplication, the most difficult but most rewarding part of network marketing. So what is duplication? Duplication is when you are able to have your team duplicate your own efforts, your own strategies, everything you are doing. So in order to accomplish this duplication, to grow your business and your profits and your team's profits and their customers' results they are getting with the product and services in question, the thing you must do is create your own private group around promoting or selling this product and service, around the customers, around your team members, you name it. You need to create a private, close-knit group that you can unify, that you can train, and that you can show the same strategies you are using to grow your business, because education is the master of all duplication. In order for your team and in order for your customers to get the best use of the product and services and to actually be able to do the same things you are doing, you must educate them. Without that, they are lost, just like without a target playing a game of darts, you are lost. There's no bullseye to hit. So what you want to do is create or be a part of a unified group around the efforts of this company you are a part of or that you are building, and focus on training and educating and supporting each and every single customer and team member to ensure duplication is happening from your people doing the same activities you are doing to produce leads, to create their own duplication, and to do number 4, which is up next right now. Number 4 is follow-up. What is follow-up exactly, and why does this pertain to network marketing, and why can this make you so much more money in your business? So what is follow-up? Follow-up is simply following up with, or emailing, texting, communicate in some way with a lead, a prospect, or a customer to move them farther down the path of building like, know, and trust with you, and to get them to invest in more with the great products and services your company or business is offering, and to have them continually moving forward. So if you have a lead or prospect, someone who is not yet a customer, you want to continually follow up, nurture, and build a relationship with this person in order to have them eventually become a customer or a team member, you name it. Keep following up over and over and over again with value, with love, with care. How can I help you? How can I help you understand things? Hey, here's a guide, here's a freebie, here's a this, here's a that. I can provide to help you learn more about what's going on and how you can become a part of what we are building together. Keep nurturing, communicating to, and building a strong relationship. Not always promoting, not always selling to these people, just building a relationship. And naturally, over time, this follow-up will get a higher percent of the people you are contacting to actually want to work, collaborate, and buy and work with you. As well, you want to follow up differently with your customers. So people who are customers, buyers, team members, you of course want them getting the entire user product and service experience, which means they need to have all the product and services that are going to be useful for them. They need to be all in and fully committed to what they're using if you truly believe in your company and if you truly believe in the product and services you are offering. So make sure 100% you follow up with and build and nurture the relationships you have or are starting to build with team members, people who are customers, and so on and so forth. And this will ensure, with lots of follow-up, more team members focusing on the company more, and the product and services will generate you a larger income, and it will build their faith in the company. And as well, following up with leads and prospects will turn more of those leads and prospects into customers, which of course makes you more money and gets more people their hands on really good products and services. But let's go ahead and move towards number 5, my 5th and final tip for network marketing. The best strategy and tip that you can use in network marketing or growing or being in any business in the world is to breathe, relax, and realize it is going to take time to build a reliable, consistent income in any business. This is the biggest mistake people make is, I'm not getting a sale right away, I'm not getting leads right away, I'm not doing you know what, anything right away. That's okay. It takes time, it takes commitment, and it takes effort to make your business succeed and thrive. So make sure you are focused on building this business. Make sure that you are ready for what's to come. Make sure you are driving leads. Make sure you are following up with leads and prospects and customers. Make sure you're doing everything you can to create duplication, and breathe, relax, enjoy and love the process of building your business. And the more you can do this, the more successful you will be and that you will become, my friend. That's it. That's all I have for today. I just want to walk you through some important strategies that whether you're in network marketing, whether you're in affiliate marketing, it does not matter the type of business you are building. These are things you must be doing in order to create success, to build a reliable income, $10, $20, $30, $50,000 a month, or even more. And in order to thrive and be happy while you do it. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, and I will share some other really great network marketing related and affiliate marketing and business building and mindset videos around or somewhere in this video. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.